what it do?
They say the pain goes away, but I can still feel it. I hear the voices in my head when I clutch the cement. Full throttle when I'm gripping on my waistline. I'd rather do the time, let a pussy nigga take mine. Speaking on my gang, that'll get you hang quick. On them by the block with them thugs, yeah, it's dangerous. My gangsters keep that flame lit. Ain't no speaking on our section. When them hollow tips blow, you better feed that weapon. For protection, keep the hammer and nails. Will prevail in the streets in the land of the lost. Oh well, pulled up in a bucket, swinging the tail. Gold chain shining, Russian knocks. I got game for sale. In the streets it gets cold, I suggest you cover up. If you see me in this funk, I suggest you better duck. But I ain't aiming for you niggas, you ain't even worth the buck. I'm a backwood nigga, you little baby ass dud. Left me stranded in the rain, I watch them peel off. I hit that lick to a chin like a real boss. I ain't calling no one, I ain't asking for no favors. Left now, never cry later. They left me stranded in the rain, I watch them peel off. I hit that lick to a chin like a real boss. I ain't calling no one, I ain't asking for no favors. Left now, never cry later. Yeah, they love to see me down, love to see me when I'm hurt. Rather see Peezy purging in the streets, feeling worthless. But nevertheless, I'll remain up on my 10 toes, watching out for rivals disguised as you can't foes. They'd rather see you lie down, 6 feet underneath, pockets looking slim on a mission for them G's. I'm trying to get this cheese, but I ain't fucking with no rappers. Put a chop on a bitch ass nigga, being poppin'. On my niggas, top shotters from the block of no dread. Niggas, they'll smoke you like some ganja on the P. We gon' get it to the day that we prosper. If it's neck full of gold, then we get him, then we got him. And if his neck full of gold, then I need everything. From his crumbs to his funds, I even take loose change. And I'm knocking down doors like my name's Luke Kane. I'm a West Side nigga, you already know what it is, man.